Alright, floating here in midair via the rotary lift is the suspension underneath the frame, as well as the rebuilt axles, and looks great. This is a Old Man Emu suspension by ARB, and you can see all the work that we did previously. U-bolts are in, U-bolt skid plates. Looks sharp. The last thing we have to do back here is to get to the shoes, brake shoes, but we're showing you the brand new wheel cylinders in there. Shoes will go in, clips, springs, pins, all that good stuff. We have brand new drums that we'll put on, and when the customer gets this back, they'll do adjustments of brake lines and filling up of fluids and adjusting it all. We'll just bolt them in as is, and they'll do the adjustments. But rear suspension's in. Again, OME stuff is just great. All OME stuff, no substitutions with aftermarket things. Nice bump stop here as well for the axle. Looking great. Our next stop will be the aluminum body to go on, as well as the cowling. Frame came out really nice.